Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You need admin access and a quick registry backup before changing console defaults. Once you have that, export HKCU/console to a reg file so you can restore settings. Make sure to record any custom path entries you rely on, since resetting console defaults can affect behavior. Close every open command prompt and related terminal applications to avoid conflicts. Then open an elevated command prompt or PowerShell as administrator, so you can run the reset commands without permission errors. Now you will remove custom console settings and clear history. Run reg-delete HKCU/console/F from your elevated prompt. This deletes saved window size, colors, fonts, and other tweaks. Next, run dosky/list size equals 0 to clear the current session history and close the window. Once done, restart Explorer. EXE or sign out and back in so the registry default values rebuild cleanly. If you changed path earlier, make sure to reapply any essential entries afterward so commands still resolve correctly. Finish by opening a new command prompt and confirming default appearance and behavior. Check window size, font, color, and that basic commands run as expected. If something is wrong, import the reg backup you created earlier to revert quickly. If reg-delete failed due to permissions, run regedit as administrator, navigate to HKCU/console and remove subkeys manually, then restart Explorer or sign out. One key troubleshooting tip: always keep your reg backup until you confirm the reset fixed the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.